The most important thing that I see coming, which is partly just natural evolution of an industry, in part because of the credit crisis and what that's done to the relationship between inside and outside counsel, is law firms acting and behaving and being run more like real businesses. Yes, it's a profession, but when you've got 1,000 lawyers and $1 billion revenue with some of these firms, you really need serious business management, and that means business planning, that means financial analysis, competitive intelligence, and I see that as probably the most important change that's coming to the industry, and of course that inherently implies a lot of other changes and trends that'll be happening in terms of the way law firms are staffed, business models. In terms of the providing of legal sources, the hunch that I have that I feel most strongly about is what some people are calling disaggregation, and that is that when a client has a legal situation or business need involving legal services, they won't just go to a law firm and say, help me with this. They'll go to a law firm for planning of the strategy, they'll go to a non-law firm for electronic discovery, they'll go to a different law firm for some of the document review, they'll go to India for some of the more administrative work involved, but they'll disaggregate the matter, and that has huge implications for market segmentation, what law firms focus on, that sort of thing. For someone just coming into legal marketing, those have implications for what I would suggest they be doing. And then there's just general principles. LMA is a great thing for anybody to be looking at. It's a great way to get best practices, to meet mentors, to stay in touch with what the leading firms are doing. Find a mentor. Find somebody who's got some of the same interests you do, may be interested in the same sort of specialization you are, and stay in touch and learn from them. And do specialize. I think that having a generalist overview is important, but also having something that you're really passionate about, really good at, matters. Whether it be video, or competitive intelligence, or financial analysis, pick something and get really, really good at that, and that will greatly increase your marketability. Today, if someone had come out of an accounting firm into legal and had a lot of experience in alternative service models, alternative fee models, that would certainly be a hot commodity and get them hired to a nice position at just about any law firm. So those are some of the things I see coming down the line and how they might affect legal marketing.